Hey, John at 8trackavenue.com here. I recently saw a post on Reddit where the Redditor was having an issue when they do repairs on their tape, their 8-track tapes. They get this extra loop forms after they've been completed their repairs, and this is something that can commonly happen with these. And fortunately, it is probably one of the easiest, if not the easiest things to remedy on these tapes when this happens. So if you don't have a lot of tape out, like there's plenty of tape for me to fix this the way it is now, but you may need to, if it has been, if there's only like a little bit of tape and you have this little loop, but it's kind of tight, you may need to take first and pull a little bit of slack out from the outer part of the reel here. You may need to pull some tape out. If it's a little bit tight, that'll make it easier if you have some extra slack here to do this. And then all you're going to do is you're going to start turning the reel clockwise. And then depending on how tight, sometimes, like I said, if there's not enough tape, this is going to be tight. But all you're going to need to really do is move the loop down so that it's right here at the inner part of the reel. And you're going to put your finger in the loop and put it on the inner part of the reel here, the crown of the reel, finger in the loop, and then you're going to turn it. And you're going to guide the tape with your finger as you're turning, and you may need to also put your finger here or a thumb to keep it from coming out of there. But that's all you got to do. Just move the loop down to the crown here, put your finger in the loop, and then guide it, turn the reel clockwise, and then guide it around until it's as it should be. So hopefully this helped. Thanks for watching.